Welcome to Good to Know. Today it's all about tornadoes. Did you know that the USA has the most tornadoes in the world? That's impressive. The strongest tornado ever recorded had incredible wind speeds of over 300 miles per hour. That's faster than most sports cars. Tornadoes form when cold and warm air masses collide, a fascinating weather phenomenon. And there are even fire tornadoes caused by fires. These are particularly dangerous. A tornado can throw vehicles and houses several kilometers away. This shows how powerful nature can be. Tornadoes are not only impressive, but also extremely dangerous.